Find or read reviews that people are talking about HiKiNS HKS-803US2 Automatic Self-Charging Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, Super Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Why you choose HiKiNS HKS-803US2 Automatic Self-Charging Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Make cleaning effortless. Our robot vacuum cleaner with 2 side brushes, 1800 PA strong suction power, and non-stuck brushless suction port is the perfect cleaning companion for pet owners and parents with young children. Simply press the start button and let the vacuum robot do the rest, picking up dust, scrums, pet hair, cat litter, and more. No spot mist. This robotic vacuum cleaner features auto mode for cleaning low-pile carpets, rugs, and hardwood floors, edge cleaning mode for corners, and pointed cleaning for stubborn stains. It's designed to clean every accessible area in your home with ease. Efficient cleaning. With a high-quality rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, this robot vacuum cleaner can run for up to 100 minutes, covering as much as 1,000 square feet, 3 to 4 rooms, at once. It also features self-charging technology, automatically returning to its dock to recharge when running low on power. Nimble and quiet. Our robotic vacuum cleaner is only 2.95 inches tall and can glide under furniture, collecting hidden dust, hair, and debris. At 60 decibels, its operating noise is barely noticeable, blending seamlessly into the background. Smooth, consistent cleaning. The infrared smart sensors provide our robot vacuum with anti-drop and anti-collision protection. While its 0.59 inches obstacles crossing ability allows it to transition effortlessly from hardwood floors to carpets. Again, if you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.